Hey guys, welcome to my first ever how to build video. And as you saw in the beginning, I'm going to be showing you guys how to build Orisa. The reason I decided to build Orisa is really because there isn't a lot of the Overwatch characters made officially by LEGO yet. So being able to have more of the characters in LEGO form to go with the rest of them is one of the main reasons I did it. Another reason is just because I like the character overall. I like the look, I like the personality, and I like the playstyle of the character. Especially since I've played a lot of mystery heroes, and usually whenever I play competitive I usually end up going tank, so Orisa or Wrecking Ball are usually my preferred choices, so that's given me a bit of a better appreciation for the character. The reason I decided to go with this design after making multiple different designs for Orisa was because I wanted to be as close to minifigure scale as possible, yet still have a decent range of articulation, as well as still being recognizable as Orisa. So that's one of the reasons you see a lot of tan. There's some I actually used some translucent green. I used a little bit of brown. There's a little bit more gray than I would have liked, but it's just mainly because those pieces don't come in tan as of yet. I'm not sure what LEGO's official version will look like exactly, but I'm definitely leaning on the idea that it'll be most likely brick built. Maybe it'll have a LEGO head with like a sculpted headpiece, or a sculpted head maybe. That would be pretty cool. But that's if they make a minifigure scale version at all. I think if LEGO does make an Orisa, I'm a little worried that they'll make it as a more of a Bastion scale, which wouldn't be bad, but I'm sorry, I really want more minifigure scaled versions of the heroes at this point. But I'm getting a little sidetracked again, going on rambling. But anyway, let's get on to the next step over here. Now here you can actually use a different piece in order to connect the brown rod if you want, in order to make it removable, which I'm actually going to put a link to the pictures of the parts list in the description below, so you can actually see what other piece you could use in replacement of that. But I still think overall the aesthetics, I like that a little more. But let's just snap that in there. Alright, and there we go so far. Alright, so we're actually almost done, so let's get this all connected together. And you probably are wondering, as you probably noticed in the background there, is the pineapple. The reason I chose the pineapple to be the head was just that I felt like it was better than having just a blank yellow head, and I didn't really see any faces in my collection that would really fit Orisa, so I thought the pineapple was a good compromise. But I imagine, honestly, with a sticker, it would be pretty much like perfect. You just put like a sticker design of Orisa's face on a head, and then you pretty much have a perfect Orisa. But for being a completely LEGO official pieces, I would say it looks pretty good. At least I hope y'all think it looks good too. Let's take a quick look at the articulation. So it has the waist swivel. You're gonna have a head articulation, which is a little tricky since it's on a stud. Anyway, we have the arm articulation, up and down, swivel, have legs, they can move as well. And yeah, that is my Orisa. Anyway, I hope you all liked this video. If you did, please feel free to share, like, subscribe, hit the bell, and maybe I'll actually make some more of these, as well as the animations, just to show you guys how I make the creations for said animations. Who knows? Maybe I'll actually have Orisa make an appearance in a future one. We'll see. Anyway, see you later.